Once upon a time, in a thick forest, there lived a big elephant by name Trump. He had a small friend by name Pip. Trump was a very big elephant. Pip was a very small rabbit. They were the best of friends. They moved together, eat together, and lived happily in the forest. They used to play together and thereby enjoying the life. They had no enemies and wandered throughout the forest freely. One morning, Trump saw a bright yellow sun fruit high in a tree. "Oh, I want that snack," he trumpeted. He was much attracted by the fruit. He was feeling hungry, so by seeing the fruit, he was attracted and wanted to eat it. So he rushed towards the tree. He did not notice that there is a pool of mud nearby. Out of curiosity, he ran towards the tree. Trump stepped toward the tree, but he stepped right into the big blue puddle. He was caught in the mud. He tried to come out of the mud, but he was not able to come out. Again, Trump pulled and pulled, but his foot was stuck deep in the sticky mud. He could not move. He cried for help. From a distance, his small friend, Pip the rabbit, watched that his friend is in trouble. So he immediately rushed to the scene. He squeaked to the elephant, "Don't worry, Trump, I will help you." Pip grabbed Trump's ear. He pulled and he pulled with all his rabbit strength, but Trump was too heavy, so he was unable to lift. Then Pip had a clever idea. He ran to the bushes and found a fuzzy purple tickle flower. Pip hopped onto a rock. He reached up and tickled Trump's nose with the flower. Wiggle, waggle, sniff. Immediately, Trump sniffed heavily with big bang, and as a result, he came out of the mud. He was able to stand out of the mud. Due to the cleverness of his little friend, he could save his life from the mud. The big elephant, Trump, thanked his small friend, Pip, the rabbit. Trump plucked the fruit from the tree, and both of them sat under a tree and enjoyed the fruit. Moral: a friend in need is a friend indeed.